Hello and welcome back to HardReset.info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your auto brightness not working on BIGME HiBreak Pro. Let's begin. Now let's start with simply explaining what this device is. Of course, this is not a normal phone by any means. This is the phone that is really good for example, reading books, thanks to its, build. It's pretty hard to explain, but you are on this tutorial, so probably you know what your phone does. So, since it is not normal phone, it doesn't really have a normal auto brightness. If we expand our control center, we will see that these are all things that are related to auto brightness. As you can see, currently I am on lights out preset. This is the possible lowest brightness that you can achieve on this phone. If we switch to, for example, daytime, we'll see that our moon icon is increased. If we go to night, you can see that is something different. Bedding looks like this. There's also other for manually changing what you want to do, and auto. Of course, we are interested in auto mode. The auto mode sometimes doesn't really work, so I would simply advise you to, for example, try to switch it between these two. Now, as you can see, switching too fast really does change it, since it is pretty hard to do. But basically, if you want to increase the brightness on this device, you want to go to other and bump up both of these bars. If you bump up only the moon bar, the blue light will appear with restricted orange light. But if you do the same for the sun, you will see that then your phone will restrict the blue light instead. So, as I said, I will switch to auto now. Though, as you can see, there are some issues with that since it's still in the orange mode. But this will probably be fixed in other software updates. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.